Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to replace your clutch fluid. So first thing you want to do is locate your clutch master cylinder. Now on this particular vehicle, the clutch master is on the inboard side of the brake master, which is atypical for most vehicles. So first thing we're going to do is remove the cap. Just like brake fluid, you want to test your clutch fluid. It is actually the same exact fluid as brake fluid. This is DOT3 brake fluid. And we're going to take our test strip and dip it in for 1 second, pull it out. So this clutch fluid is actually in pretty good shape. It's sitting at about 10. If you get to 100, that's when you need to change it. So depending on how you're going to purge your fluid out of your system, if you're using a pressure bleeder and you're gonna push it from the bottom side, which would be on the slave cylinder or hydraulic release bearing, you'll need to remove fluid from the reservoir. To do that, you use a turkey baster. Simply stick it in there, pull as much of the fluid out as you can, and then transfer that to a catch bottle. This here is the clutch slave cylinder. This operates the clutch fork, which shifts the throwout bearing and releases the clutch, okay? So this is the part that we're actually going to be bleeding. We will need an assistant to sit in the vehicle and pump the clutch pedal as requested. Then we're gonna take our drain hose and we're gonna attach that to the top. We actually have a drain bottle that we're gonna use so that we can capture the fluid. Now we're ready to purge this fluid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the assistant push the pedal, hold. As he's holding the pedal to the floor, I will open the bleeder screw, let fluid out, then close the bleeder screw and tell him release. We've run through about half of the fluid that was in the reservoir. We're gonna pour some more brake fluid into the reservoir. This is clean fluid now. Your clutch pedal may push all the way to the floor and lock. If that's the case, just pull it back. Refill the reservoir as needed during this process, then repeat each of these steps until the clutch pedal is firm and the clutch is disengaging when you operate the pedal. Then replace your cap. And that's all there is to replacing hydraulic clutch fluid. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.